Okay, so putting the finishing touches on the tank grips. So as you can see, we already have the TechSpec snakeskin tank grips on the lower side of the tank, and on this side you can see we also have grips on the tank and also on some of the body work. The actual other piece that came with the kit, it's the same kind of material and pattern, but it doesn't look right on the tank. So what we did was order the Kawasaki gel tank pad, and that'll look much better there. So really a quick video, installation video of how to do that. You can see it, much sleeker. It's pretty quick side-by-side comparison. That's the TechSpec snakeskin grips that are already on the side, but I didn't like the way that looked, so we're gonna go with the Kawasaki, the genuine Kawasaki gel pad. The first thing we're gonna do is kind of cut around the actual gel pad and give us some space, to kind of mock it up before we put it down, because this looks like one of those things where it's going to be very difficult to remove or reposition. So I already have a few kind of centerline marks to kind of help, but we'll come back in a second after this is cut out and see how it looks on there. Alright, so we have the tank grip all mocked up. It looks like it's in the right place. Before we remove the backing and try to fix it, we want to heat up the surface. I'm just doing a quick check, at 64 degrees, the tank and the gel pad. We're going to try to get that up to like 80 or 90. So just grab a hair dryer. So let's see, how do we want to start this? I think I want to start at the bottom. So I'm going to keep that there. We'll peel off some of this to get it started, and that is sticky. Let's make sure that the still in the same orientation that we originally had it. And we are committed now. So this is going to be an anchor point. That looks good.